Looking for the perfect cordless drill that delivers power, precision, and performance for all your projects? Cordless drills have evolved with stronger motors, longer battery life, and smarter features to make drilling and driving faster and easier than ever. Whether you're fixing things around the house, tackling a big DIY project, or working like a pro, having the right drill can make all the difference. But with so many choices out there, which one should you buy? We're breaking down the top 5 best cordless drills on the market right now to help you find your perfect match. Let's get into it. Remember to check the links in the description to find the best deals on all the models we cover. The 5th product on our list is FADAKWALT 12V Cordless Drill. This FADAKWALT 12-volt cordless drill set is one of the best budget-friendly and feature-packed cordless drills. It's equipped to give you reliable power, versatility, and ease of use, perfect for tackling your home DIY projects. With a high-performance motor delivering 180 inch-pounds of max torque and 21+1 precise torque settings, 0 to 650 RPM, you get full control for drilling into wood, metal, plastics, and handling all your screw driving tasks effortlessly. The adjustable clutch helps prevent overdriving screws or damaging materials, making it beginner-friendly and efficient for everyday use. You'll love its compact, lightweight, and ergonomic design, which reduces hand fatigue during long projects. The rubberized soft grip handle ensures a comfortable one-handed operation, while the built-in LED light brightens up dark and tight spaces for better accuracy. And the 3/8-inch keyless chuck with an automatic spindle lock allows quick accessory changes, saving you time on every task. This drill set is loaded with useful extras, including a magnetic flexible shaft, extension bar, 3 wood drill bits, 3 masonry bits, 10 screwdriver bits, and a screw anchor set, everything you need in one package. The variable speed trigger gives you smooth control, and the forward-reverse switch makes screw driving simple and efficient. Whether you're assembling furniture, fixing shelves, or doing quick home repairs, this FADAKWALT cordless drill set offers outstanding value for the price. Looking for a budget-friendly cordless drill that's powerful, versatile, and beginner-friendly? This FADAKWALT 12-volt cordless drill set could be the ideal option for you. The 4th place on our list is FLEX FX1271T-Z. This FLEX 24-volt brushless half-inch hammer drill is the powerful and heavy-duty cordless drills you can buy. It's made to deliver industry-leading performance, unmatched durability, and advanced technology for the toughest drilling and fastening jobs. With the FLEX stacked lithium advantage, you get 200% more power, 300% longer battery life, and 100% faster charging compared to standard batteries. Paired with a sensor-free brushless motor, this drill eliminates friction, boosts efficiency, and delivers a massive 1,400 inch-pounds of torque, making it perfect for heavy-duty tasks like drilling through wood, metal, brick, or concrete with ease. You'll love the turbo mode, which kicks up the speed for faster results when you need maximum power. Also, the advanced anti-kickback braking system keeps you safe by stopping rotation instantly if the drill binds. The 1/2-inch full metal ratcheting chuck with carbide teeth ensures maximum grip, strength, and long-lasting durability, even under intense workloads. Built-in LED lighting brightens dark workspaces, while the rugged construction guarantees this tool is built to handle extreme conditions. And when registered within 30 days of purchase, you're covered by the FLEX Limited Lifetime Warranty, a promise of reliability and performance for years to come. Looking for a heavy-duty cordless hammer drill that delivers unmatched power, speed, and safety? The FLEX 24-volt brushless hammer drill could be the ultimate upgrade for professionals and serious DIYers. The 3rd product on our list is the Milwaukee 2904-20. This Milwaukee M18 fuel half-inch hammer drill driver is one of the most powerful and feature-packed cordless drills you can grab. It's crafted to deliver exceptional performance, unmatched durability, and maximum efficiency in a compact, easy-to-handle design. With its power-state brushless motor, this drill offers 1,400 nlbs of torque and the ability to tackle the toughest drilling and fastening tasks with ease. Whether you're drilling into wood, metal, brick, or concrete, the hammer drill mode lets you power through the densest materials faster than ever. Also, at only 6.9 inches in length, it's one of the most compact drills in its class. giving you better access in tight spaces and reducing fatigue during long work sessions. You'll love the auto stop control mode, which enhances safety by preventing over-rotation during bind-ups, while the dedicated indicator light instantly alerts you when protection is activated. Its RedLink Plus intelligence system optimizes performance and protects the drill from overheating, overloading, and over-discharging. The all-metal 1/2-inch ratcheting chuck with carbide teeth ensures maximum durability, superior grip strength, and better bit retention. It's paired with Milwaukee's Red Lithium XC 5.0 amp-hour batteries. You will get longer runtime and more work per charge than most competitors. If you're looking for a feature-rich, high-performance hammer drill that is built for both professionals and serious DIYers, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel might be the one. The second product on our list is the DEWALT DCK277D2. This DEWALT 20-volt max cordless drill kit is one of the most premium power, precision, and performance toolkits you can grab. It is designed to bring you professional-grade performance and exceptional durability and control in a compact and lightweight design. With its brushless motor technology, this kit delivers longer runtime, higher efficiency, and more power for all your drilling and fastening needs. The 1/2-inch drill or driver delivers 340 unit watts out, while the 1/4-inch impact driver packs an impressive 1,500 inch-pounds of torque, perfect for heavy-duty applications. Also, its variable speed trigger gives you precise control, even on delicate surfaces. You'll love the compact 7.6-inch front-to-back design that easily fits into tight spaces, while the ergonomic comfort grip ensures perfect balance and control during extended use. The bright LED light with a 20-second trigger release delay keeps your workspace illuminated, even in dark or confined areas. And the quick-release hex chuck makes bit changes fast and hassle-free. This premium kit comes with two 20-volt max, 2.0 amp-hour batteries, a charger, and a durable contractor bag that will give you everything you need to get started. It's backed by DEWALT's 3-year limited warranty, 1-year free service, and a 90-day money-back guarantee. You're investing in quality that lasts. Looking for a premium cordless drill and impact driver combo that delivers unmatched power and precision? This DEWALT 20-volt max cordless drill kit could be the smartest choice for you. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product name is the BLACK+DECKER BCD702C1. If you're looking for a powerful, reliable, and easy-to-use cordless drill for all your DIY projects, the BLACK+DECKER 20-volt max cordless drill kit is one of the best overall choices for you. It's built for versatility, gives you the perfect balance of power, speed, and control to handle everything from simple home repairs to more demanding tasks. It's powered by a 20-volt max lithium-ion battery. It delivers excellent runtime and consistent performance, so you can keep working without constant recharging. The 11-position clutch lets you adjust torque settings precisely, helping you avoid stripping screws while giving you full control during drilling and fastening. You'll love its built-in LED light, which brightens dark work areas, making it perfect for tight corners and dimly lit spaces. Moreover, it features a convenient driver bit holder to keep everything organized and within reach while you work. Whether you're building furniture, fixing shelves, or tackling bigger household projects, this cordless drill is designed to make the job easier and faster. The kit includes the BCD702 drill driver, LBXR 2020-volt max battery, LCS1620 charger, and a double-ended drill bit, everything you need to get started right away. Looking for a compact yet powerful cordless drill that won't let you down? The BLACK+DECKER 20-volt max cordless drill kit is the best overall pick for homeowners and DIY lovers. That's all for our list of the top 5 best cordless drills on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.